Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you what is Figjam and how to run a remote whiteboard session. In a nutshell, Figjam is a versatile tool for collaboration in workshops. It offers various templates for different purposes. You can easily use predefined templates or create your own workshops. The tools include pens, shapes, colors, sticky notes, text, linking features, stamps, and stickers. You can customize shapes, colors, and sizes, making it easy to create diagrams, sitemaps, or conduct retrospective meetings. Figjam is excellent for interaction and collaboration in meetings or workshops, providing a user-friendly experience. So here's Figjam board. We have these tools like pencil, pen, marker, a tape. We can choose different colors of tape here. We have sticky notes. That is also has a lot of color to choose from. We can add up some shapes and form it into a flowchart. We can add labels to it. We can add text and has also a toolbar to edit the text. Just drag and drop other elements and tools here. That is how easy Figjam is. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!